everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. In today's video, I am participating in the Spring Kitchen Vignette 2021 collaboration. And to set up my vignette, I went on Pinterest for some inspiration and to get some ideas. On this vignette, our co-host has asked us to use a tray, something with wording on it, and some greenery. The host, by the way, for this collaboration is Miss Denise Jordan of This and That. And by the way, congratulations again, Denise, for reaching over 40,000 subscribers. I will have Denise Jordan's channel link and the participants playlist in the description box below. Here I'm sharing with you a tray that I made, and I uploaded the video some time ago, maybe about a week or so ago. If you're interested in seeing how I put this together, then I will have the link in the description box. And I hope you enjoy what I put together. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.